average Jamaican, most of us, the bulk of the use of electricity in our homes is our refrigerator.
There are a lot of features with our most modern appliances. All of them are energy smart.
So Appliance Expo week is Unicomo, well, Quartz really, taking the opportunity to showcase its range of appliances. And it includes, interestingly, a list of a whole range of smart appliances, whether it be inverter refrigerators or air conditioners, right through to what we consider to be small appliances like irons, microwaves, vacuum cleaners, and so on. We also use the opportunity to bring in some of our partners to share with us in this event, and what they're basically doing is sharing product information, and we have the JPS who joined us here today, this afternoon, just sharing information as to how you consume electricity, some of the do's and some of the things that you should be looking for when you're purchasing an appliance. And the feedback we've had from our customers has been very helpful, very useful in helping them to choose wisely.
Well, when I heard about the expo, I was just like, you know what? Why not? I mean, don't you want to know about your appliances? It was very enlightening and I was very surprised. Like, I think the biggest thing for me was the red light. Guys, if your appliances is running on red light, it's not exactly conserving. Can you believe that? I would think the red light did mean stop, you know, so we could have conserved. No, it's kind of still going.
And as an avid Quartz shopper, what brought me today at Constant Spring store at the Quartz Appliance Expo is the fact that I'm interested in purchasing a refrigerator and a stove. So of course, you know, you want to be educated on the do's and the don'ts. In this economic climate, I do believe it's important to understand what's the best appliance to purchase and how you can go about being energy efficient. And I got all of that today in this one session. So I must say a huge thank you to the Quartz team for informing us and keeping us educated so that we can continue to bring value home.